ruckus inside Punjab Vidhan Sabha Assembly session has been witnessed and the visuals are on your screen right now. The Akali MLAs have now protested against Governor and Punjab's Chief Minister. Meanwhile, Akali Dal MLAs have walked out during Governor's address. Slogans have been raised against the Governor and Punjab's Chief Minister while both were leaving from the Assembly. This happens on a day when this is the first day of the Punjab's budget session. There were Go Back Governor slogans that were raised. Protests against the Governor's speech on the farm laws have also been witnessed within the Assembly as well. Let's go across to my colleague Amandeep now joining us with more on this. Amandeep, over to you. Please share more of why were these MLAs protesting and raising these slogans.
Richa, today was a 25-minute speech of Punjab Governor during the start of the Assembly session, basically the budget session of Punjab Assembly. And in fact, from the very first minute, Akali started protesting, raising slogans against the Governor inside the Assembly, and first they walk out from the Assembly session.
And in fact, they were waiting for Governor to come out after his speech, and they throw the papers and in fact raise the slogans to go back Governor. And the reason behind raising this slogan is that in the last Assembly session, the Punjab government have passed 3 bills, farm bills, to counter the union law, farm laws that were constituted by the union government. And in fact, those farm bills were pending in the side of Governor. He has not forwarded those bills to President for the further process. So that is the point of this entire protest. The Akali says why the Governor was holding those bills that has been passed by the Assembly session in the last dates during. And in fact, this is the point. They have raised the slogan: if the Governor is not able to talk and not able to respect this Assembly's movement, he should not deserve to stay anymore as a Governor. So that's why they were all raising the slogans, go back Governor, go back. That's because they were not talking about the Punjab. The Governor was not advocating the Punjab Assembly's decision. So the entire issue has been raised on the first day of budget session of Punjab Assembly. And in fact, on the other side, there are certain independent MLAs. They have also raised the voice against the Governor's speech. And somewhere down the line, we are getting from our sources that Governor suddenly skipped his speech and cut short it and delivered the copies to all the MLAs that anyone can read it. And in fact, he has not delivered the entire speech inside the Assembly. But these visuals that are coming from the inside of the Assembly, when the Akalis were standing on the top floor, and in fact the Governor was passing from the ground floor. He was leaving after his speech from the Vidhan Sabha Assembly sessions, and they were continuously, Akali MLAs led by Bikram Majithia, they were continuously raising the slogans, go back Governor, go back, and throwing the papers. And in fact, they have also denied to read the Governor's speech. And this is the entire scenario, and this was just day 1, Richa. This happened just first day with the first event of the Punjab Vidhan Sabha budget session.